everyone, it's Melissa of Butterfly Planner. Welcome back to another Plan With Me video. Oh my gosh, cannot speak. Seems to be like the new thing that my late 30s I can't speak. Anyways, today we are going to be doing a Plan With Me with the Love Tiggero 2.0 kit from Butterfly Planner. Here is the full kit. It is still available in the shop if you would like it. It would be great for something for Valentine's Day or an anniversary or something like that. As usual, it is also available in other sizes, like a mini kit. And I don't think this one comes in a daily, but anyways. So I am recovering from a cold or something. I thought it was a cold. It ends up you can still get allergies in the winter. Something that never occurred to me that would even be something possible when I moved to places where it was so cold that it snows. So anyways, I took an allergy pill and it seems to be helping, which is great. If you hear any noise in the background, that's my family. They're cleaning. We have, like I was going to tell you guys in a second, have company coming. My best friend from California is coming again with her son. Hi, Daisy. And we're going to go up to Kansas for a speech and debate tournament for her son. And so, yeah, I'm filming this Sunday, and she left today, like literally just a few minutes ago, and I'm so excited to see her. You know, she's my best friend, so of course it's like, yay. Daisy, what's up? I locked her in the room with me. I finally have a door on my office, which is awesome, but I locked her in with me because I didn't want her crying at the door, which I knew would be like a thing. And now she just won't leave my side, so I have a feel and of course, as typical cats, she's got to make a liar out of me and leave the second that I say that. But she's actually still right here at my foot. She's just on the floor instead. Anyways, so I am going to be bulk filming because, as I said, my friend is coming into town and then we are going to Kansas. So I'm going to bulk film my next 3 to 4 videos, so you're probably going to see my arms in the same kind of in the same sweater because it is like 25 degrees outside, so I am not changing my clothes. Anyways, and then I'm not showing my face because, like I said, thought I was recovering from a cold, but it ends up it's allergies. But I still look a complete mess and didn't feel like doing my makeup, so yeah, no face this next few videos either. Sorry, I know I started it and then haven't been doing it. I know a lot of you really liked that, but yeah, so sorry. They will come back. I will be doing them. I just trying to get ahead with some videos, and like I said, I'm just not feeling the greatest. So anyways, let's get back to the planning. I'm just putting in my date covers with the date dots on them because I always forget to put the actual date dots down. And then I'm going to grab the sidebar stuff. So sidebar is going to be, where is my sidebar stuff? It's in here. So I don't know what I'm going to put down here because I'm going to use this for my suppers. Maybe I don't know, just probably extend it and then have like the boxes overlap there. I hope I'm still in frame. Probably am. I always think I'm not, and then I am. And then when I don't think I'm not, I'm not. Anyways, okay, so I'm going to use 7 for here, and then which 2 do I want to be? I think I'll use this Be Mine to be the top one. I'm not gonna put it equally. I like it kind of like, I don't like it up here, but I also don't like it lined up with this one. I know I'm weird, but it is what it is. And then at the bottom, I want to put, maybe we'll put this one. And this one I don't mind if it lines up with the bottom. Again, I know it doesn't make any sense why I like white space up at the top but not at the bottom, but yeah. Am I still filming? So then I'm going to, where's the suppers? There we go. Put just a smidge of white space in between. Go like that. And then like that. Maybe I won't put the suppers there, because I want a big, no, I don't want a big to-do list this week because my friend's in town. So Monday we'll have a big to-do list, so I'll use one of these there, but not for, what do you call it? I hadn't, there we go. I am sorry, I am so scatterbrained. And I want to put some washi in between. We'll use this one. I'll just layer it over like this, and then like this, and put it in. Do I want 3 of them or 2 of them? I want 3. So then I'm going to take this one. And grab the last one here. And layer them like that. You got one big sticker. Put it right in the middle so you have some white space on either end. And voila, our sidebar is done. So yay. I love it. Now I'm going to go and put these butterfly headers along the top here with just a smidge of white space, like literally a smidge. I just like the look better. But this kit has so many stickers that you could easily do no white space with it. Cut these when my cutter was getting ready to go. Put these down. Okay. And then the fun part, at least I think it's the most fun part, is the full boxes. Because I just don't know what my week is going to be like, I'm just going to put them in the middle. I'm going to put the love sticker here. It's not quite in the middle, is it? It's in the middle of this one, but actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to base it off of, because I want to put that, no, I could put it at the bottom. That would be fine. Sorry. On Monday, I am going to put one of those full box checklists, but I can put it underneath. And wow, could I have laid that down any more crooked? There we go. Which one should I use next? We've got, so it should be red, or should we do, I kind of feel like we should do this one. But then there's not going to be any real red on this side. So I think I'll put it here in the middle, and I'll do, no. yeah. Kind of don't like all three of them right there like that, but that's okay. Whoa. Took it off too fast. Never had that happen before. Okay. Cutie pile will go in the middle, and I'll do the thing in the go back to here. Oh, there's my heater. Oh, you guys will find this funny. So last week I did the Sweet Quiet Design Kit, and I used a different one in my big planner versus the one that I did the plan with me with in my PP week. And somehow when I was filling in my big planner, this one, I started using the other kit and it worked fine, but I was like, man, I thought there would be a lot more stickers in here than there is, and blah blah blah, and couldn't figure it out until I cleaned my desk and found the other kit. I was like, Melissa. But it is what it is, no big deal. Yay. Okay, so now we can get into planning the week. There's not like a whole lot. Like Tuesday, Wednesday is gonna be very like up in the air, but that is also okay. I think what I'm going to do is that I know what I'm going to use it for. Where's my birthday sticker? Do I have a birthday sticker on here? Why don't I have a birthday sticker on here? I need to put a birthday sticker. How many times can I say birthday sticker? Okay, that's not yet though. Okay, we're Monday. I'm getting ahead of myself. I tend to do this. I have like, my brain is going 6 million different places at once, so I'm going to put the to-do list here. And there is a 90% chance that my friend will be here. So I'm going to put a sticker like this here for her showing up. But they're, like I said, leaving today, so you never know. My nephews might be coming over, so there might be a new thing where they come over twice a week or so that they can make sure that they get their homework and stuff done, just to have someone kind of just there making sure it happens. My sister works full-time as a professor, and so it's kind of hard for her. Okay, Tuesday, they will also probably be coming over, so I'm just going to put that down here. And then we'll see about the other stuff. Wednesday, I'm not sure what we're doing. We're playing a lot of things by ear. Thursday, we are leaving for our trip to Kansas. So I'm going to just put this right in the middle. And I'll put like where we eat and stuff like that there. I'm going to grab, I have some road trip stickers. I think I'll use this one for that, and then the coming back. I'll use the teeny. When I use like a kit that is from Butterfly Planner, I like to throw in a lot of like the little character stickers from other shops, and then like if I use like a Sweet Quiet Design, I try to use a lot more of like the Tiggeros and stuff from Butterfly Planner, just because I feel like it gives it more of a balance without going overboard, you know? Okay, Friday will be just all that stuff, so I'll probably get a lot of work done in between. Saturday, same thing, but Saturday is my friend's daughter's birthday, Taylor. She's gonna be 20. It amazes me that she's going to be 20. Like, completely. I just remember when she was just such a little girl. And now she's a woman, and it's just amazing to watch kids grow up. So I'm gonna put that there for Taylor's birthday. She loves Tiggero, so I'm gonna put him there. Saturday will be awards, and there may be like an after thing. Sunday we will be driving back, but we're doing that. We'll probably have like brunch someplace, so let's put a sticker for that. Probably gonna do, oh, I don't want that. I should have done pink. I'm gonna do this for driving back. I'm gonna put that one there. And then I'm gonna put this here for, we're gonna do these cave things, like it's a cave mine tour, and so I'm excited for that. And then for brunch, what can I use for brunch? I don't like using two squares next to each other though. I messed it up. Hold on. I don't like this. I'm gonna try to, hi baby. I have someone pawing at my leg. She's attacking my leg right now. She's attacking me. Ah. I have a very playful kitten. She slept really, really well, and so now she's just, oops, this may be a losing cause. Yeah, okay. There's a good thing I have lots of them. So, grab another Tiggero. I'm gonna put this one here. I think it'll work better. And then I can put a red one there. And put that other red half box here for brunch. And then I have these really cute brunch stickers. I think they're in this one. I have these Sweet Cry Design brunch ones, like breakfast ones, but I have some really cute ones from Toffee Bananas. Yeah, here we go. Those are more like parfaits. I thought I had brunch ones specifically. I always want to call her something else because she changed her name and it throws me, but yeah, I guess that's it, unless it's in here. Oh, here we go. Aren't these just so cute? Like, they're the perfect brunch stickers. So I think I'm gonna do like this one with the egg, because I don't know where we're going, but it would be fun. So I'm just gonna put it like this, and I'll put where we had brunch. So that is that. I think it turns out really, really cute. I love it so much, and I hope you guys do too. I will link the sticker places down below, including a link to this specific kit. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!